hello, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Whenever you feel like that, you are seeing this lecture. Actually, in last year, I was taking your science practicals, but now sir told me that that you can do the seventh standard mathematics. So mathematics, have you know the how is the mathematics? Anybody knows the answer of this? Mathematics. Math means calculation, calculus. Matics means related to a calculation, related to a calculation. So that is called as a mathematics. So calculations, when you go for calculations, you understood, or you can say that there are the various variables are there. There are numbers are there. There are equations are there. There are the in the form of x and y variables are there. So this is called all this is comes under in the mathematics. So here have you understood? But here I want to tell you that some of the basic things I want to clear. Hey, anybody from you like अरे मराठी सांगतो तू कुठल्या मुलीवरती लाईन मारलीस का रे कधी मारलीस का अरे हसू नकोस लाईन लाईन काय लाईन काय व्हॉट इज द लाईन you know that one. You said, na, I'm doing this thing. What is a line? My basic question is that what is a line? What is a line? Segment, point. Line, segment, and point. What is a point? A dot in mathematics, it's called as a point. It's the center. When it is in center of a circle, it is called as a central point, or it's called center, centri or center. So this is the point. When you move ahead for the point, we get a segment. Anybody know from you? Can you give the definition of a segment? Anybody from you? Have you recall in 4th, 5th, 6th standard? You are doing this. What is the line? What is segment? Segment is nothing but a person, or suppose a building. Suppose our school building. We have two buildings. We have two buildings. That one building and another building. Can it be movable? Can it be movable? No, they are still there. So when I draw from one point, say one point, there are so many dots are contained there, and that so many dots we call it as the collection of dots is called the collection of dots is inner lines in a segment. Segment means they are in a initial point and final point is fixed. Initial point and final point is fixed, and in between there are so many points are there. In between there are so many points. So the fixed point and so many points. So that we call as a segment. Here I want to show you that what is dot. This one is a dot, and here I want to show you that what is a segment. Suppose this is your house. I'm giving here A. This is a point, and this is a collection of points. So many points are there. And this one is the last point. This is our B. So collection of all the points in the first initial point and final point, it is called as a segment. This is a segment. What is this? Segment. So this segment. Then we comes to the line. What is the line? Collection of here we see the collection of all the points. The collection of all the points. This is segment. The one thing I want to tell you is that segment cannot be increases further. Segment cannot be increases further. But the line, when you say line, this point and this point becomes an arrow. This becomes an arrow. There is an arrow. So collection of all the points from all the points and the points are not they are moving to the further they can move to the further because we are indicating this one in an arrow. This is called as a line. What is that? In the both way it can be increasing. In a both way they can be increasing of points is called as a line. This is called as a line. Have you understood? Have you understood, all of you? One of you or me give the definition of points, segment, and line? Have you understood, all of you? So we move ahead. We move ahead. Another basic thing is that angles. What is that? We have come here across the angles. Angle. What is the definition of an angle? So many, you know the angel. What is the angel? What is the angel? Angel is a person or a thing who gives you something good or better. That we call it as an angel. Here, same way, the angle is also doing the same thing. Is that when you calculate the angle of every object, you can build a lot many things, and that many things are usually you are using nowadays. Like as anywhere segment, you know that there is an angle is important, and that angle gives you support and all things, just like as a angel. Understood? So we are moving ahead. What is the angle? Anybody knows the definition of an angle? There are the two arms. Now you have two arms. One is the right, one is the left. So there are the two arms, just like this, just here. So that we call it as the initial arm and final arm. That we call it as the initial arm and final arm. Here I am drawing something. This is a circular, and this is my centric, and from this up to the border, this is your one of the arm. And then second, I drop here. This is your initial arm, and this is your final arm. They are both in the same line. That's why angle is 0. What is the angle? 0. When I move final arm from this point, final arm, this is my final arm, move, it makes the space in between them is called as a angle, and we indicated by theta. So what is the angle? Distance between the initial arm and final arm is called as angle. Distance between initial arm and final arm is called as angle. So here we some of the basic things we are today we are learned, but these basic things are very required for the geometrical constructions. So that's why I'm taking this kind of things. And so here again I want to show something that you learn in 4th standard. That is a chord, center, radius. Here because circle, most of the times we are using the circle, square, circle, square. Then there are so many things in objects. We are using cylinder and all the things we are using. We are rectangle, all the things we are using in day-to-day life. So these are the things. So we can take a circle. This is a circle. This is a center. This is called radii. Radii. Then this one circle center to this radius. Sorry. This is center. This is center. This is radius. D-I-O-U-S. I know. Radius. And this one is the diameter. So these are the things we require. And the another thing is that this the segment which is short than the diameter is called as a chord. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Chord. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? chord. A segment which is less than the diameter is called as a chord. So these are the things. These are the things we have to learn today, and we have to learn today. These are the basic things. If you know these basic things, then only you can move ahead. Otherwise, you don't know how we construct, what is construct. That's why these are the basic things you have to be know. And if you know these things, you can build up your mathematical brain as strong as that. So first, listen my children. The first time what is the thing I am taking in the class? What's that? काय रे मुलांना मुलीवरती लाईन मारलीस का? काय घेतलं मग आपण पहिल्यांदा? Say something. Line. So line bisect. We have to construct now. So first we have to bisect the line. The first comes here, angle afterwards, but second first comes here, line bisect. How if we bisect the line? With the help of your compass. How you bisect means your line has to break equally. Line has to break equally. So with the help of means in your construction here you can break with the help of compass, or in actual there are so many ways of cutting the line and all the things that we don't want to go there. Here we have come here as a line. This is a A and this is a B. This is a line, not a segment. This is a line. Distance between this line is 10 centimeter. How much? 10 centimeter. How much? How much distance? 10 centimeter. So in a compass, you take a pencil, and whatever you want to be distant in between that compass, whatever you want to, you take a distance. That distance not be short than half and not be more than that of the area here present. So in between the we can just say that more than the half distance when you take in a compass, you can easily bisect the line. So here I am taking more than half distance on a compass and I am bisecting the line. Upper cut, lower cut, then afterwards lower cut, upper cut. So here, so then join this, join this. So here I get a point O. When you actually see that AO equal to BO equal to 5 centimeter. This is called as a line bisection. Lines are bisect equally. Lines are bisect equally in two halves. Have you understood, all of you? Have you understood, my student? Have you understood? This is called as a line bisect. Okay, what is it called? Line bisect. So we are moved from this. We have second concept is that angle bisection. What is the angle bisection? How you bisect the angle? For that, I am making something. This one angle suppose be 60 degree. How much? 60 degree. We have to bisect the angle. Angle bisect. What is the meaning of angle bisect? Angle should be bisect equally. It means that we have to get from 1 to 2, and that is also equally. So 60. What is 60 half? 60 half is how much? 30. So an angle, how many you have to bisect angle in a 30 and 30 degree. 30 degree and 30 degree. So here, listen. Take a small distance. Take a distance. Whatever you feel, but not more than that. This one. So first First take a small distance, but I'm taking here distance and cutting these 2 point, though both the lines cut. Then same distance, not do not change the distance. Same distance you cut here, uppercut, and you same distance lower cut, and this is the line joining to the center. When you calculated, this angle is 30 degree and this angle is also 30 degree. This is called as a angle bisector. What is this called as a angle bisector? क्या बोलते हैं इसको? क्या बोलते थे हम लोग? Angle bisector. It means angle has to be bisect in a two different angles, not different, same angles, because it is a cuts equally. So this is called as a angle bisector. Then we move ahead. So today we will taken the line bisection and angle bisection. From tomorrow I will take the take how what is with respect to triangles, how you bisect the angle, how you construct the acute angle bisection, then the rectangle bisection and acute and what is that we call it as acute angle and rectangle angle, and acute is more than and so these are the things we have taken in tomorrow. So today's your homework is that you bisect the lines of the parameter. I will tell you the centimeter line: 10 centimeter, 15 centimeter, 20 centimeter, 25 centimeter, 30 centimeter bus. You have to bisect these lines, and the angles you have to bisect like as a 120, 100, 80, 60, 40. So these are the angles you have to bisect today. So this is the so today we close our today's lecture, and from in tomorrow I am doing the work doing the related work like as a triangle, how you bisect the angle in triangles, how you construct the triangles and other things we are learning in a tomorrow or tomorrow session.